I've been wanting to do this for so long. I'm so excited. I feel like this is a good moment. Is that just fish? Oh my gosh, what are the odds of me seeing a turtle, knowing that I love turtles? Oh my gosh, and these are koi fish. I've been seeing so many of these self-sustaining tiny ecosystems that people build in their house out of little containers or big aquariums, and I just think this is the coolest thing in the world. And I've been wanting to do this for so many years, so we're going to do it today. Springtails.
So these are the foundation of every type of bioactive.
Oh wow, they're so small.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the foundation of a bioactive
Of every
soil
bioactive is the springtails as far as like self-sustaining. These are the little guys that are eating all the mold and mildew and everything.
Wow, is that what keeps it alive, or?
I mean, it helps keep your tank running.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it doesn't necessarily bring anything to life, but it does help keep the tank running.
It cleans it.
Yeah.
It cleans it out.
Right.
I'm so happy. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Wow. We're getting down to business. I got jungle mix. I've always wanted to do this. Drainage mesh, frog moss. They didn't have live moss, but once we start giving this water, we are going to basically have it like green and live again. I got this. Hydro balls. The plan for this is basically to build a mini ecosystem for me to always see life. Like, yeah, I have like succulents, I have potted plants, but I want something that I built. And so that's why all those little things kind of basically make the ecosystem kind of give to itself. I'm trying to build like a self-sustaining ecosystem. Someone like my cat, she's basically like my kid. I feed her, I wipe her booty sometimes. We're just gonna lay the foundation and get the moss growing, because moss is a living organism. And moss is going to, yeah, all I need to do is give it water. But, you know, eventually the end goal would be able to have like lizards in here. Pella, she wanted her own terrarium. Pella, did you want your own terrarium? I love you. But then she'll eat them. She'll sit on the moss, dig in the dirt, maybe even use the restroom. And if there's bugs, nah, she probably won't do anything. But if there's frogs and lizards, Pella, if I get a frog, you have to promise me. You have to promise me that you're not going to do anything to it. Please. These hydro balls are like the foundation. I'm assuming that they're kind of like bedrock maybe. It says it increases humidity and keeps plants alive. They really help with root growth. The next thing is the substrate. It's like a dirt. This, I got it because it said jungle. That's the only reason why I bought this specific brand. I was like, oh yes, jungle. So supposedly it has peat moss and fir. What? I don't know. And our frog moss that we'll keep back alive. I swear if frogs come out of this thing, I'm going to cry. This is where we'll have our terrarium really come to life. Okay, I don't even remember what the instructions were, but let's just get down to business. So first of all, let me show you my house. There's a bunch of things here. Pine cones, rocks, random sticks, things from outdoors. They're literally scattered everywhere. It's not unnormal for me to have these things in my house, and it's always been like that. So now I'm like, what if I take some of these things, Exhibit A, and just start to have a little cute little spot for them. And if I really love this and if this goes well, I might start having like 10 or 20 of these scattered around my house. I think he said like an inch of the hydro balls. I can't be the only one that's excited right now. If you're excited, let me know. I think these are made out of clay. I think if I find like just a bunch of rocks and scoop it up, that would be like the same type of effect. For the next 30 days, I am going to be doing things that I've never done before. The aim is to see the possibility of life when we just try, to overcome all of our fears, gain a sense of mental freedom from what we think we can't do, from what we're uncomfortable about, and just going out and doing it. So for the next 30 days, I'll be uploading a video every day. Now, what do you think of this? Yeah, this is not gonna work. Just do like that actually, and then I'll have that other side left. So I need to cut like right here, and right here. Yeah, that makes sense. Or according to YouTube, 70% or more of the people who watch these videos are not subscribed. So if you want to keep up with a lot of the things I'm going to be forcing myself to do the next 30 days, then you are definitely welcome here. This is becoming fun. Oh man, you know, doing things with my hands instead of just sitting on social media, it just feels so much healthier. And it's easy to get obsessed with those platforms, like me included. Like it becomes a trap. Like after I graduated high school, I wanted to take a break and I didn't go on Instagram for 2 years, 2.5 years. And it was great, the mental clarity, the freedom. But yeah, they're designed to keep you, which, you know, I get it. It's a business. Like, I get it. I really do get it. But I want to use it more as a tool for me and not be used as the tool for someone else. So this is a really good replacement and I feel happy doing it. Okay, let's bring that back. Looking super good. Oh my gosh, did you see my dishes? That is so embarrassing. Oh my gosh. It's time to put this dirt on though. Oh, that was quick. And I love jungles, so this is fun. I don't have a mister for my moss. I just gotta even it out some. Maybe I can create a mountain. This is it, okay? These 2 pine cones. Do you think they'll like that? Do you think these pine cones will enjoy being right here? Maybe just 1 pine cone. The bigger one or small? I guess the smaller one. Sorry, bud. You can go on the next one. Bro, this is getting super serious. I need everyone to take this serious. So it's called frog moss. Yeah, known as pillow moss. It will come back to life and grow in a proper terrarium conditions. A beautiful decorative living moss to accent a naturalistic terrarium. It's time to get serious, okay? We have frog moss and I'm taking it out no matter what anyone says. Oh, it just looks like a fairy wonderland. Look, my cut is healing. Okay, let's do this. Wow, so I used to be so scared of moss when I was younger, especially like when you're swimming in water and you touch it on your feet and it's slimy. It's like, oh, it will touch me. So I've seen people going with tweezers. Should I be like them and get tweezers or should I just do what I do? I'm just gonna do what I do. Oh no, don't please. Oh yeah, everybody make room for your family because they're gonna be squeezed in here too. So, you know, don't be stingy with the substrate. Okay, you know what? I think that's it. And then this is gonna go like right here, right here. For this, so I'm just gonna like put water in my hand. I'm sorry for using plastic, like I wasn't home, okay? You know, I think if I just like try to shake it, that's like kind of, I don't know if this is okay. Okay, I don't know if there's such thing as overwatering. I'm just gonna. I'm so sorry. If that wasn't good, then I'm sorry. This is so cool though. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a lot of water. I really hope I don't hurt it. I love you, moss. This is what it's come to. A full-fledged ecosystem. Look at that. Have you ever seen an ecosystem like that? Oh my gosh, I can smell it. I can smell the moss. I don't remember if this is good or bad. You know what? Oh well. But look at that. Jungle vibes, rainforest vibes. It's pretty cool though. And as you can see, we have the different layers imitating earth. So this should be really good for it. I don't think words can express how happy I am with this. It's just so beautiful. I feel like the moss is already coming to life. I've always wanted something like this. Imagine a little lizard in here. I mean, if I put a tiny little bug, this is like a bug on a mountain. So I'm very excited for this and the future ones that I create. And I'm glad I let myself finally do something that I admire. It's hard to, like, just to finally do something. And this is so simple. It's just a little thingy inside of, well, dirt and rocks and moss. But it's awesome. Every day for the next 30 days, I will be trying my hardest to release a video of me trying something new with the idea of this thing having to be getting outside of my comfort zone, overcoming fears, or trying to achieve mental freedom or a new perspective. So if you have any ideas or anything you'd like to see me try, do, experience, or know, comment it down below. And if you do comment, I will 100% do it. So the chances are 100% that if you comment, I will do it. But I noticed a lot of people want to kind of have chats with me, and I love to have chats with you. So I actually have a Telegram chat link down below. Go ahead and join my Telegram chat and we can chat all day. So yeah, it was a simple thing to make an ecosystem, and we might just see it come to life very soon. So I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.